Imagine a world where luxury knows no bounds. Welcome to the world of luxury cruising. Here, the meaning of luxury is redefined with every sunrise, as you wake up to a new horizon in the heart of the ocean. On board these floating luxury resorts, elegance and sophistication aren't just words, but a lifestyle. Every corner is a testament to exquisite design. Every meal, a culinary masterpiece. The allure of luxury cruising isn't just about the opulence on board. It's about the opportunity to explore the globe, docking at exotic locales and immersing oneself in diverse cultures, all while enjoying the comforts of a five-star resort. It's about the unparalleled experiences that blend adventure and leisure, creating memories that last a lifetime. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of gold and crimson, the night comes alive with world-class entertainment, making each day a celebration. Now join us as we embark on a journey to discover the top 5 most expensive cruise ships in the world. Starting our countdown at number 5, we present the Seven Seas Explorer. This gem of the oceans, often referred to as the most luxurious cruise ship in the world, is an experience that redefines opulence. Aboard the Seven Seas Explorer, you'll find all-suite accommodations. This isn't just your average stateroom, but a personal sanctuary that offers you a lavish retreat after a day of exploration. Each suite is a showcase of elegance and comfort, with spacious living areas, marble-appointed bathrooms, and private balconies that offer breathtaking views of the sea and the destinations you'll visit. But what truly sets the Seven Seas Explorer apart is the Regent Suite, the largest and most opulent suite on any cruise ship. The suite spans over 4,000 square feet, including a private spa, a custom Steinway grand piano, and a bed worth over $200,000. The Regent Suite is not just a room, it's a palace at sea. When it comes to dining, Seven Seas Explorer raises the bar. Gourmet dining options abound, from the classic elegance of Compass Rose, the largest specialty restaurant at sea, to the intimate and exotic Pacific Rim. Fresh ingredients, expert preparation, and an array of culinary delights make every meal a gastronomic adventure. The Seven Seas Explorer is not just about luxury, it's about creating an experience. The ship's staff is dedicated to providing an unparalleled level of service, ensuring that every detail of your journey is perfect. From the moment you step aboard, you'll be treated to an experience that caters to your every whim. So, if you're looking for a cruise that combines luxury, comfort, and exceptional service, the Seven Seas Explorer is your answer. This ship is more than just a means of travel. It's a floating palace, a testament to the beauty and grandeur of the world's oceans, and a journey that you'll never forget. Indeed, the Seven Seas Explorer is a testament to the saying, luxury is in each detail. Moving on to number 4 on our list, we have the Scenic Eclipse. This nautical marvel is not just a cruise ship, it's a floating paradise that promises to transform your travels into an unforgettable experience. From the moment you step aboard, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of unparalleled luxury and innovation. The Scenic Eclipse is a beauty that needs no introduction. It's famously known as the world's first discovery yacht, and it certainly lives up to its name. This ship breaks the mold of conventional cruising, offering unique amenities that are hard to find elsewhere. One of the most exciting features of the Scenic Eclipse is its helicopters. Yes, you heard that right. Helicopters on a cruise ship. These aren't just for show, they're for guest use. Imagine soaring above the ocean, getting a bird's-eye view of the scenic beauty of your destination. Now that's something to write home about. If air travel isn't your thing, how about exploring the depths of the ocean? The Scenic Eclipse is equipped with a state-of-the-art submarine for guest use. Dive beneath the surface and witness the marine world in all its glory. But the Scenic Eclipse isn't all about adventure. It also knows how to entertain. The ship houses a theater for live performances. You can enjoy world-class shows while cruising through the world's most beautiful waters. And let's not forget about the suites. Spacious, stylish, and designed with utmost attention to detail, these are places where you can truly unwind. Each suite is a haven of luxury, providing the perfect setting to relax after a day of exploration and entertainment. The Scenic Eclipse is more than just a cruise ship. It's a vessel that brings together the thrill of discovery and the comfort of luxury. It's a place where every corner holds a new surprise and every journey is an experience in itself. With the Scenic Eclipse, every journey is an adventure wrapped in opulence. Climbing to number 3, we find the Crystal Serenity. This gem of the seas is nothing short of a floating paradise, a haven of luxury and refinement. Crystal Serenity's standout features make it a compelling choice for those seeking an elevated cruising experience. Every inch of the ship exudes elegance and sophistication, from its grand atrium to its chic lounges and bars. Now let's talk about the suites. The penthouse suites are the epitome of luxury, offering guests a private sanctuary of comfort and style. These suites boast a spacious living area, a tranquil bedroom, and a marble-clad bathroom. But the highlight of these suites has to be the personal butler service, ensuring that every guest's needs are met with the utmost attention to detail. And then there's the dining. Imagine Michelin-inspired cuisine prepared by world-class chefs. Each dish is a work of art, meticulously crafted to please the palate. Whether you're in the mood for an intimate dinner at the elegant waterside restaurant or a casual bite at the bistro cafe, Crystal Serenity's array of dining options caters to every culinary whim. But what sets Crystal Serenity apart is not just its luxurious amenities, it's the enrichment programs that truly make the experience unique. Guests can immerse themselves in a range of activities designed to stimulate the mind and body. From insightful lectures by renowned experts to fitness classes led by professional trainers, these programs offer a dynamic blend of learning and relaxation. And let's not forget the all-inclusive experience. At Crystal Serenity, everything is taken care of. From your morning coffee to your evening cocktail, from your onboard activities to your offshore excursions, every detail is meticulously planned and executed to perfection. In essence, the Crystal Serenity is much more than a cruise ship. It's a testament to the art of luxury travel, a beacon of elegance and sophistication. With its unparalleled amenities and services, it offers an immersive experience that transcends the boundaries of traditional cruising. Crystal Serenity truly embodies the essence of a floating luxury hotel. Sailing into the second spot, we have Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas. This floating city is a marvel of maritime engineering that redefines luxury cruising, setting an astonishing standard for all who dare to follow in its wake. At the heart of its grandeur is the ultimate family suite, a two-story wonderland that offers a slide from the kids' bedroom to the living room, a private 3D cinema, a floor-to-ceiling Lego wall, and even a whirlpool on the balcony. It's a playground that sails the 7 seas, a dream come true for the young and young at heart. Yet, the Symphony of the Seas isn't just about family fun. It's also about indulgence. With over 20 dining options, your taste buds can journey around the world without ever leaving the ship. From the exotic flavors of the Far East at Izumi to the classic comfort of American steakhouse at Chop's Grill, every meal is a culinary adventure. And when the sun sets, the ship truly comes alive. With Broadway-style shows, high-energy ice skating performances, and the lively atmosphere of the Royal Promenade, every night is an invitation to experience something unforgettable. But the Symphony of the Seas isn't just about luxury, it's about size. As the world's largest cruise ship, it's a testament to human ingenuity, a floating testament to what we can achieve when we dare to dream big. The Symphony of the Seas is indeed a marvel of maritime engineering and luxury. And now, the moment we've been sailing towards, the most expensive cruise ship in the world, Mississippi, the world. Imagine a place where you can live, not just vacation, but truly live while circumnavigating the globe. This is the unique concept of MS the World. It's not just a cruise ship, it's a residential community at sea. Its residents, rather than just passengers, have the freedom to travel the globe in the ultimate comfort of their own luxury apartments. They call it home, and what a home it is. This floating paradise is equipped with the most luxurious amenities. Imagine waking up to a different view every day from the comfort of your balcony, indulging in the finest cuisine prepared by world-class chefs, or relaxing in a spa that rivals any on land. There's also an onboard golf simulator, a tennis court, and even a swimming pool. It's all part of the high-end lifestyle aboard MS The World. But what truly sets this ship apart is the freedom it offers. Residents decide the ship's itinerary, voting on where they want to sail next. Whether it's the vibrant cultures of Asia, the stunning landscapes of South America, or the icy beauty of Antarctica, the world is literally at their doorstep. The world is not just a cruise ship. It's a floating paradise where dreams meet reality. There you have it, the top 5 most expensive cruise ships in the world. From the opulence of the Seven Seas Explorer, the adventure-ready Scenic Eclipse, the elegant crystal Serenity, to the entertainment-packed Symphony of the Seas, and the residential luxury of MS The World. Each one is a testament to the heights of human ingenuity and the pursuit of unrivaled luxury. These floating palaces redefine the meaning of luxury and offer an unparalleled experience. Until next time, keep sailing towards your dreams.